My name is Uros Slak. I work as a technical business development director and strategic market technical advisor leader in Kyndryl. Kyndryl is world's largest IT infrastructure service provider. We manage, build complex IT services which actually power the IT systems across the world. For example, what it means, every time a customer buys a ticket or makes a banking transaction, it's Kyndryl somewhere in the way covering it and making it secure and working. We do that by covering end-to-end services. We cover cloud, we cover networking, we cover applications, we cover mainframe. And from security perspective, we cover end-to-end services. We cover security governance, zero trust pillar, security operations, and cyber resiliency. We are more than 70,000 number employee companies. We have like delivery centers, so we really can do a lot of things. When I talk to our customers across the world, the major trends and risks I see from the security landscape would be first, supply chain, third-party risk. When the customers now they're getting more and more mature, they recognize that they also need to take care of their supply chain partners. The second one would be enhanced identity and access management, demand to cover our customers' zero trust journey. The third one would be generative AI, how to cover the dual nature of AI. One side, bigger threat, bigger risk, but on the other side, also possibility and opportunity to use AI for protection. And the last one I would emphasize is regulatory pressure. Coming out of DORA and NIS2, which are already live, but actually our customers still need to do a lot of things. And for example, cyber resiliency, identity and access management are something that DORA and NIS2 require. What prompted us to start with the identity and access management journey? Well, when we became an independent company, we started with 65 on-premise data centers, and we evolved that using cloud-first, SASE, zero trust strategy to 4 data centers in our hyperscaler location. We started with 1,800 business applications, and we consolidated those to 360. If we wanted to do that, we needed to rethink also our identity and access management strategy. So we started with like 5 usernames, 5 passwords, different logging procedures. So we have selected consolidated everything with one identity and access management solution, robust, and we were able to consolidate it using the zero trust approach. So we have one username and password, multiple biometric, multi-factor authentication methods, which really simplified it. So I would say that from this identity and access management modernization, we are really a good example how this transformation can be achieved. My advice as a vendor-agnostic service provider and someone who has implemented identity and access management solution firsthand would be to select a technology which fits the customer unique needs. And the second one would be to select a service provider who can cover technology, people, and process triangle as well. From the identity and access management vendor perspective, like One Identity or any other major player, I think the key advice is they need to fit naturally in the customer digital journey. They need to work hand in hand with the customer and also with the service provider.